Hey everybody, it's that time of year again. Yes, I've got my hat on, my propeller hat. That means it's Percona Live time. Yes, it's coming up again. And we're really looking to make this the year of open source, and we're really excited to invite you to submit talks and topics for the upcoming conference. The conference is going to be held May 12th through 13th online, so you can do it from wherever you are around the world. It's going to be virtual, so you don't have to worry about travel. And the CFP is now open, and you can visit cfp.percona.com or perconalive.com to get more details. And the call for papers closes February 28th, okay? And we're looking for topics on not only open source databases like MySQL, MariaDB, MongoDB, and Postgres. We're also looking for things on open source, Kubernetes, security, you name it. If it's in the open source space, we want to hear about it. In fact, our favorite topics that we always love to hear about are performance, architecture design, high availability, replication, HA. All of these things are things that people are desperate to hear more about, and they want to hear from you. Share your expertise with the community. Help us out. Help your fellow community members out. We're going to be looking for 30-minute talks, 60-minute talks, lightning talks, panel discussion ideas. Whatever you want, we're here to help. And if you need help submitting, or if you want to talk to me about a topic, feel free to reach out to me directly. I'm happy to help you, guide you, tell you a little bit about what we've heard that people want to hear about. But we're really excited to see you at Percona Live this year, and we'd really love for you to talk.